Introduction to audio and voice notes in digital apps.
Digital note apps let users capture ideas quickly, not just with text, but also with voice or audio notes. Whether it's recording a lecture, making reminders, or capturing creative thoughts, these features enhance how information is saved and organized. Let's break down how these apps record, store, and sort your spoken notes efficiently for easy access.
Recording voice and audio notes.
Recording an audio note typically involves tapping a microphone or record icon within a notes interface. The app uses your device's built-in microphone to capture sound, instantly converting your speech or background audio into a digital file. Many apps also offer pause, stop, and playback options, so you can review and manage your recording before saving it.
Storing and saving audio files.
Once you finish recording, the app saves your audio file, usually in formats like MP3, M4A, or WAV, within your note. This file is stored either on your device, in the app's cloud service, or both. Many note apps sync automatically with the cloud, keeping your voice notes secure and accessible from any device logged into your account.
Organizing and accessing audio notes.
Audio notes are organized much like text notes. You can assign titles, tags, and categories, making them searchable and easy to sort. Some platforms offer folders or notebooks, letting you group related audio notes. Advanced features may include text transcriptions, letting you see a written version of your recording for quick review.
Sharing and using audio notes.
Digital note apps often allow you to share voice notes with others. You might export the audio file, send it as a link, or collaborate in shared notebooks. This makes it easy to distribute meeting highlights, brainstorm sessions, or tutorials. Accessibility features like playback speed adjustments and transcription further enhance how you use and share recordings.